on, guys? Connor here with Kayak Fishing, and it is tournament morning. I'm here at the ramp right now. Got the place to myself for right now. I actually got a buddy coming. He's gonna fish this little lake with me. The goal is to crack off a quick limit and then just run. I'm gonna run local. I'm not gonna go super far just because I'm way too many lakes to try and go chase. I think today's gonna go good. So let's get it. That's what we're starting the day off with, fellas. There we go. That's not what we want at all. Ooh. Oh my God. Damn. Something messed him up. These fish are real lethargic. Yeah, I don't want a 9.5 incher. I'm sorry. That might be stupid of me, but Nope, it's broke. Oh. Now we're talking. I don't know if I'm gonna catch much bigger than that in this lake, just because it's not very deep. I'm fishing, right now I'm sitting in 6 feet of water. I'm probably 20 feet off the bank. And I bet I'm only fishing maybe 15 feet of water, if that, where I'm casting to. But all the fish now seem to be a little bit deeper. I changed up what I was throwing. They were biting the buzz bait. They were biting the chatterbait, but nothing really with some size. I had a empty Texas rig set up, and I've been throwing the white fluke, and they have just been, I mean, smacking it. I've been slacklining these fish, and they're eating them like a 4 or 5 pounder would, but you know, they're only 13 inches. So we are, I'm gonna fish the rest of this lake because I've only fished, you know, a quarter of it. I'm gonna fish the rest of it, and then I think we're gonna relocate to a different lake. There's guys that chose, like, which I'm sure places like Long Branch that are big. I know a lot of people that chose smaller lakes so that they can bounce around. I know some people who chose one lake that's less than 100 acres, and they're just fishing that lake. So it's like, it's kind of whatever you want to do, which I kind of like. I like the freedom of being able to travel and go to a different spot, maybe when I haven't fished before, which I've never fished this lake other than yesterday, pre-fishing, just because I don't ever come out this direction. Sucked, man. I only got 2 of my fish on video, and I've caught 6 or 7 now. Kind of sucks. But I'm gonna move. Alright guys, we were at a different lake. I decided to go ahead and make the move.
the Battle of Brookfield. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to check the channel for new videos. From the bottom of my heart, I love you guys. Big thank you to the sponsors. I think that's it. Until next time, everybody. Peace.